What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel.
Bago pa sa akong channel, so by the way, I am Indonesia, so welcome. For today's video, we're gonna do what inside my phone or what in my phone. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang laman ng phone ko. So, by the way guys, my phone is iPhone 6. Laba sa iro.
Ano sa naka-iro? Kaya ko
Kung gusto mo tanaw giunsa na ko ni pag-achieve nga look, comment lang mo kung kinsay gusto ani magpa-tutor. So
Baby, please, quiet. So, color white na mga pigmented. Ano sa nato, Kate? So,
without further ado, let's get started. So hello everyone, so this is my lock screen, and as you can see, it's already 24 of January 22. It's Thursday right now and it's night. Yeah, and now let's proceed to my first page of my cell phone. My phone, it's iPhone 6s Plus, and yeah, so this is my screen recorder. Yeah, and let me arrange this one. Okay. Oh wait, can't click. So this is my first page of my phone, as you can see. Let's start from this part. This is a phone where you can type the numbers or where you're going to call someone else. Yeah, and let's proceed to the next one. It's camera as usual. This is my camera. Let me see. Oh, can click. Wait, yeah. So I have here my radio as my lighting for now. I really love it using this lighting because I don't know why. So this is my phone. Yeah, wait, I turned it back. Okay. This is my phone. It's covered by Hello Kitty, and this is my counter, Ashley. Yeah, let's go back and let's proceed to the top. I don't know, it's next is its message, and I have here my 1100 message, and let's proceed to the next one box. It's called social media. So I have here 1076 message for my social media. And now let's click, and here first here I have my Twitter. Let me click this one. You can search me, my Twitter account, and you can follow me. Yeah, it's me. Yeah, at indayniesehll or indayniesehll. You can search me and follow me. I have here 151 followers and 1000 kapin following. Yeah, and now let's proceed to my Instagram here, which is my second apps. Yeah, and you can search me here. It's me indayniesehll with underscore. And let's proceed to my Facebook. I have here my messenger. I have 1300 message, Facebook Lite, email, and Safari. So now let's proceed to my app part of my phone. So I have FaceTime, calendar, clock, and photos. So this is my photos. So next I have here my maps, notes, and reminders. So I have no reminders right now. And next I have iTunes Store, App Store, Box, Wallet, Settings, Spotify, and this one I have my first box here, which is lifestyle. So Let me click this one. I have here Watson PH, Robinson Rewards, and Shopping. So that's all for my lifestyle. So let's proceed to the another one box. It's called Photo and Video. So I have here my Snapchat, PS Express, Boomerang, Photogrid, Lightroom CC, VSCO, Snapseed, and PixArt. So this is my photo and video editor. No, it's my photo editor only. Yeah. And now let's proceed to the next one, which is what we call that one, games. Yeah, first here I have my Farmville 2, Bakery Stories, Lighter IO, Temple Run, and this is all my games right now. I have my favorite games here, which is Farmville 2. This is my very favorite games, and also this Bakery Story. And next one, I have here my photo and video again. I have here YT Studio, AdSense, and YouTube. So next, I have here my books, Holy Bible, SSQ or Sabbath School Quarter is the hymnal. So this is all this about my religion. Yeah. And let's proceed to the another one, which is vlog editor. So I have here first my Ponto, Magic Eraser, Splice, Eraser, Kind Master, and Video Craft. So soon I'll be teaching you, or I'll be showing you how I edit my video vlog from this apps, Kind Master. Yeah, I'll showing you soon if walay kakulian ng may tabo. Yes. And let's proceed to the another one, which is, so next I have here my Sure It, and let's proceed to my next page of my phone. Yes, I have here also my tips, broadcast, find iPhone, find friends, contact, files, watch videos, health, documents, weather, wishing, music, stocks, and home, and record it. This is my screen recorder. And let's proceed this one. What we call, I got rid of this one because it's too small. Yeah, here I have voice memos, compass, measures, calculator. So this voice memos this is what use when I doing vlogging. This is my semi mic. Yeah, that's all my apps of my phone. Yes, as you can see, this is my boyfriend. This lock screen. No, it's wallpaper. This is my boyfriend. Yeah, I really love it using his picture on my wallpaper, because when someone asking to borrow my phone, so they already know that I am taken already. Yeah. So that's all my apps, and yeah. So hello people, I'm back. So kikasabaan ko sa akong boyfriend kay pinabunda ko no kay kong storya.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for staying with me through this time. And hopefully na-enjoy mo sa akong video karon, no? And thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you so much for those people na nag-subscribe and nag-follow sa ko through my social media account and sa akong fan page. And hopefully padayon lang kita laban lang kita mga Bisaya, no? So for shout out and any suggestion about my video, and for kung naamoy mga challenge na ihatag sa ako or any challenge na ipagbuhat sa ako, just comment below. Just leave your comment below kaya ako na basahon, and I will do for the next video. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected with me throughout my social media, and I will link there below my description box. Inyo, tanawa lang ninyo, and thank you so much for always supporting me.
Stories, I'm a fool for your love.